use a data validation. You go to data validation. So you want it to be in a list form when you select the cell. So the yes, then no. You click. So you see, yes. And what again? Do you offer BDT or Pretec? So it's the same thing. We just make a copy of this. Then we paste it here. We go to paste special, so keeps us formatting. After that, we change this side to what? Do you offer BDT or Pretec? Do you offer BDT or Pretec? Do you offer BDT or Pretec? So let's change the validation also. Instead of yes or no, we should do it BDT. Then comma Pretec. Okay, so BDT or Pretec. So it's one. Then it's left with the last one. Then the last one can make a copy again. Okay, when you go, let me check. The last one is Ghana language offered. So which Ghana language do you offer in the school? Ghana language. Ghana language offered. For that one, you will have to write it. So there's no need. So with this, we finish with our settings. We can go to view and on check the grid line so that to be something like that. I think it's okay for now. To something like that. You can if you are it depends on how you want the thing to display. You can add more graphics to it so that it will be nice. You see, when you want to do this and sell, there are certain things you should know. You have to lock the formulas. Where the formulas are, you have to lock them so that nobody will get access to the codes. So for instance, the row here, you will lock it, so no entries will be done here. And this one is very simple. You just select the cell that you want to lock. You right click, you go to format cells, you go to protection. Okay, now it's locked. It's already locked. Let me check this one too, if this one too is locked. Go to format cells, protection. So in all of them are locked. So let's unlock all of them. So you select the entire sheet, Control A to select the entire sheet. You go to format cells, then you you uncheck the locked, then you click OK. Okay, you see now there is some green arrow at the corner over there. Now you just see the green over there is telling us that there is a formula here and you have not locked it. So we just right click, we go to locked, you click on OK, so it's locked. When you are done, you have not finished. So we finish with the settings. The next time we'll be meeting, I'll be talking about creating the sheet for every subject. Thank you very much.